How do I prepare a machine for shipment? If you need to send it for service, all you need to do, just ship us this machine only. We do not need the tray. We do not need any of those cables, power cables. Just the machine. Make sure you put it in a box with a styrofoam. Make sure so it's secure, so it's not going to get damaged during the transportation. So before you do that, you want to make sure that you're going to empty the water from the rear tank, from the front tank, then from the filters, and the last is going to be procedure is going to be empty all the pipes, which I'm going to show you in a moment. So let's go through this. I'm going to show you how to empty the water from the machine. So first, we want to make sure you will drain all the water. Okay, we're almost done. This is basically empty. When it's going to start flashing, it means it's completely empty here in the front tank. You want to pull out the tray from the back. Take that. Now we run out of the water. Take that. First procedure is going to take the rear tank out and empty the water that is here. So that'll be the first. Second is going to be empty, like I showed you before, to the bottles. Then you want to empty the water from the filters, because there is still water in the filters. So you want to take it upside down to any of the like pan or whatever. You just put it through here. And the last procedure is going to be, you need to take the filters out, all the filters out, turn off the machine, and now here's what's going to happen. You push this button and this button together, and the machine is going to drain all the water from the pipes that are no longer in the tanks, but they are in the pipes. So you want to make sure that you do that too. When it's draining out, just turn it a little to the right, and it's ready to be shipped.
Solaris Water Gen, pure water, pure life.